Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel that is post myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I will show you learning ReactJS from Sketch Part 2. In this part, we will add Bootstrap into our React application to make it look good. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest React updates. So guys, here we go. So it's very simple. Here is our React.js project. It's working fine. In part one, I told you how to set up and install the React project. Now we will add Bootstrap 5. Like it's very simple. Go to React Bootstrap app and npm install. Just copy this command and paste here. After it will going to add. Adding fine again. I will run npm start, and then we just need to import bootstrap style, bootstrap 5 style. I will remove all these, and for demo purpose I will add the navbar component. So guys, it's very simple. Just I will copy all the rules, just paste here, and blah blah blah, paste here and save it. And we will see into our React project. It will work or not, but I must say it will definitely work. Let us bootstrap 5 into our React.js. And guys, after it, I will come with routing and other hooks and other stuff. I will tell you all the very basic level. So guys, here we go. The navbar is working fine and all the stuff. So guys, see, it's very simple. If you want to add few more things like the layout, breakpoints, or I can say grid, like I have container, I will add this container already add this, just row and column section and copy. So guys, I need to wrap all the thing into tab. Just fetch, hope it will look fine. This works well. So I need to check more row and we'll paste here. Works well. Yes, brilliant. So see guys, it's working fine. And now we have done with Bootstrap and ReactJS as well. So guys, after it, I will come with more stuff. So friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. And please subscribe my channel, support me. And guys, now I will come with more and more good stuff for you. In the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.